Search engine marketing basics. What you should know. If we talk about search engine marketing basics, we can say that it is your passport to the first page of Google and a universe of billions of daily searches. Gaining visibility on the internet is a goal that every company wants to achieve. Appearing in the top positions of search engines and having a presence in networks means generating traffic to our website, which ultimately means obtaining more sales. If you are new to this channel, we provide high quality tips for business owners and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. To see more videos like that, subscribe to this channel and click on that bell to get notified of new video we posted, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and leave a comment. Therefore, businesses are investing more and more in search engine marketing. But what is it actually? This simple term, search engine marketing, represents everything we do to reach the top of the results and make our website stand out from the crowd of the web. Among search engine marketing basics, you'll find the concept of SEO strategies and sponsored links. Before we discuss these concepts, let's start with what it is. Search engine marketing basic. What is it? If you see an ad showing on the top or right of search engines, you know what search engine marketing is. Search engine marketing is also known as search engine marketing or SEM. It is the process of attracting traffic to your website either through organic methods such as search engine optimization or SEO, or by buying ads, SEA, on search engine advertising platforms. Simply put, we can say that SEM equals SEO plus SEA. Components of SEM. As said earlier, SEM is a combination of SEO and SEA. So here we define both terms for you. Search engine optimization or SEO. SEO includes all activities that you carry out to ensure that your website scores a higher in the organic results of search engines such as Google. Within the framework of this method, measures are carried out for internal and external optimization of the site, due to which the compliance of the resources with the requirements of search engines is ensured. To optimize sites for search engines, we usually pay attention to the site indexing, its code, design, usability, content, tags, and link building. Search engine advertising or SEA. SEA stands for search engine advertising, which is also referred to as sponsored links, paid ads, or PPC, pay per click. Search engine advertising is the process of posting ads on search engines such as Google, Yahoo, and Bing. The text of advertising is drafted, keeping in view the search terms that users use to look for information on the web. These ads are displayed either on top of the page or to the right side of the organic results. Though PPC is the most known building model of SEA, there are some other worth discussing. Some of these are given below. SEM ad models for paid marketing. Behind the clickable button in the ad, there is more than just transferring the user to a given website. Each model of advertising on the internet is built in slightly different way. It depends on the type of ad, target audience, and even the industry. Before you decide on a specific type, learn about the most popular ad building models on the internet. CPA, cost per action, an advertising model built for the performance of a specific action, signing up for a newsletter, placing an order, filling out a form, etc. CPL, cost per lead, an advertisement for which the advertisers pay when the user leaves a lead, literally trace in the form of personnel and contact details. CPS, cost per sale, the cost of advertising in this case is borne by the advertiser at the moment when the user makes the purchase. CPS is one of the most expensive advertising models, yet is often used in e-commerce. CPM and CPT, cost per mile, cost per thousand, an advertising model in which the advertiser pays a fee for a certain number of views. This type of advertisement is used especially in image campaigns focused on a large reach. CPV, cost per view. In this case, the billing model is based on the number of views of a video ad. Used on platforms such as YouTube, it refers to the view itself or the length of the watched video. Advantages of search engine marketing. Search engine marketing is an excellent tool that many specialists use. It is therefore worth taking a look at the advantages of good SEM campaigns. Increase brand awareness. Good SEM means more people are aware of your brand. Think about what happens when you search for something online. You only pay attention to the first few results on a page. So if you use SEM to be among those top performers, there is a greater chance that people will see your brand and gain recognition for it. Increase site traffic. This is one of the main goals of SEM, to help you get the most relevant site traffic so that these people become your customers later on. This is because you move up the ranks and become one of the first results people see. Therefore, they are more likely to click your link and go to your website. Gain the right audience. SEM allows you to advertise your website to an audience who should already be a bit interested in what you have to offer. This is because you're targeting specific keywords, so you're essentially showing your ad to the right audience. As a consequence, you acquire potential customers who are willing to convert, and thus you can also observe an increase in sales. Excellent ROI. By investing in SEM, you will see direct results. It has an advantage over other types of advertising activities thanks to its channel of reaching your translates into a high return of investment. How to run an SEM marketing campaign successfully. To improve your search engine positioning through payment strategies, it is essential to understand the entire procedure involved in SEM fully. Although this is a paid marketing strategy, this does not mean that you should not plan carefully to ensure that all of your objectives are met. Be very careful not to base your search marketing on just placing ads without rhyme or reason. You will be spending money and time without any sense. What matters is knowing how to invest all these resources effectively. For an SEM campaign to be successful, it is important to choose keywords carefully by studying its positioning very well. Write an ad copy with a hook. We have to draw the attention of the user above what is a simple banner. Assess the different options that the SME offers us. That is, investigate if pay-per-click, impressions, group ads, etc. are more convenient for us. The better the SEM strategy adapts to our needs, the better the final results will be. In case you need professional assistance, you can always count on us. At FairTech, we consider that a good SME strategy starts from an in-depth analysis of the user's needs, a good study of the market, and the creation of smart campaigns. We use different techniques for prospecting and retargeting to generate valuable engagement and greater sales. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at the best agency for paid ads, PPC, SEM. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more videos like this, please subscribe and don't forget to like, share, comment, or post your questions. We answer them in the next Q&A video.